Hello Roladians, in this video I will show you how to profitably add money to your Steam account. This method is suitable for any region including Argentina, Turkey and Russia. Let's see what's happened with Argentina's Steam gift cards. So we have to use another method to add money. I have a Steam account switched to Argentina, so I'll add funds to this account. There are some requirements. Your account must be connected to a mobile authenticator. You can use a phone number from your country and your account must be funded with at least $5 before with gift cards or other payment methods. So your Steam account must have access to the Steam marketplace. In simple terms, you buy some items on third-party markets like Bitcoins and sell it on the Steam market. Let's do it and see how profitable this method is. I will use the TF2 ATM. I will leave some market in the description. Log into this market using your Steam account, make some configurations, then add money to the market using my Bitcoin. Then find the Monaco key. The cheapest one I'll buy is 2 keys. Wait when the order will be completed. They will send you trade offers, accept them, and now I have 2 Monaco keys. The next step is selling those keys on Steam community market. I set the price to instantly sell my keys, and now these 2 keys sold on the market and got $529. It's $3.81 with the current rate of exchange. So I spent $3.83 on the TF2 market and sold these keys for $3.81. That's pretty good for an Argentina account. And now this is the most profitable way to add money to your account if you have an Argentine credit card. Now I can buy any game on the Steam store. But to buy games, you have to use a Steam client, not a browser. Because if you discover the Steam store in the browser, it converts all prices to your region currency and you can't buy anything. So use a browser with VPN or a Steam client without VPN. Hope this video was useful for you. By the way, Ronaldo is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire some of our projects. You definitely can make money on Ronaldo as a freelancer. Since our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other, there are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it's very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Ronaldo's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer, but you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Go to www.rolado.com to get started. Thanks so much for watching and bye for now.